My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. Today, we're doing a scallop crudo, one of my favorite dishes. And I want to show you how simple it is. Crudo is raw, fresh fish, thinly sliced. One thing I want to do is explain to you what a fresh sea scallop looks like. You see the edges here? The older this scallop gets, the edge will be rounded like a ball. So whenever you're buying them, when you have this crisp edge like this, you know that they're fresh. So we're going to take these like this, and we're going to cut them. People are intimidated. They think it's difficult to make a crudo at home, but it's really not. And the main thing is you just have to have fresh fish. So now I'm going to take this clementine juice and I'm going to pour it all over. This citrus adds a tart to it with the sweet scallop. So now we're going to put these radishes on the scallops. You're adding another texture to the dish. And now I'm going to get some olive oil. I'm using black sea salt. And there you go. Ready to go. Scallop crudo. It's a really good dish with diverse flavors between the citrus, the olive oil, and the sweet scallop, and the crunch of the radish. Intimidation gone.